Jersey number 23, itong Gabriel Anlombo. Jersey number 99, San Pedro, not good. Another one, yes sir, good for 2 points. Talagyado ang un. San Pedro ang una, mga kwandalang puntusan. Talagyado may tangan. Jersey number 09, pass to outside. Balik sa labas, Jersey number 6, De La Cruz. Shot clock, down to 14, not good. In the jersey number 99, itong batang San Pedro may tangan inside, pull out jumper, another one, yes sir, good. Last negative in 20 seconds remaining, starting first quarter of the game. Pass to outside, jersey number 20, Gabriel, pass to outside, Gabriel the sniper, jersey number 22, pull out jumper, not good again. And not good, jersey number 09, Dalagano to inside, PP hits sa bandang gilid, no good. Shot clock down to 8. Dalagano, pull-up jumper, not good. Inside there was a whistle. Po natin pour up against zero mga kaibigan. Pull-up jumper, not good. Sa bandang ilalim, ina pull-up jumper, shot clock, not good. Itong jersey number 20, itong nice sniper pass to Dalagano, jersey number 9. This is the do or die game. Napakagandang pasa. And not good inside. Another one. Yes sir, good for 2 points. And of course, itong batang San Pedro, jersey number 99, sitting on the play. Tapi Kamboko sa bandang gilid. Akobo inside, shot clock down to 14. Still nga lang. Pass to De La Cruz, jersey number 6, pass to outside. Inside, Gabriel, not good again. Tapi Kamboko tayo, there was a... Capistrano, jersey number 07, may tangan. Still nga lang ang ating kaibigan, jersey number 6, De La Cruz, easily up. Yes sir, good for... San Pedro from the outside. Balik kay San Pedro, jersey number 99. San Pedro sitting on the play. Lost 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining shot in the lag. There was a whistle. Itong Capistrano from the outside, looking for the receiver, pass to outside to inside. Mga ngarabaw sa bandang gilid. There was a whistle. Ang kanyang tatlong puntusan. And not good. Gabriel for the rebound, jersey number 23. Lost 6 minutes and 48 seconds remaining sa ating talaan. I-score po natin 6 up against Pong. Dalawa ang kalamangan sa bandang gilid. Then sniper, jersey number 20. Gabriel, pass to outside. Itong Gabriel, sisipating mabuti. There was a whistle. Gabriel pass outside, pass to Gabriel. Jersey number 20. There was a whistle again.
Score natin 4-6 mga
jersey
idol.
number 99. Ate, pa-off lang po ng light ng iyong cellphone. Thank you so much. Okay lang po mag-video, wag lang po mag-light. Thank you everyone. Sa inside, jersey number 77. Yes sir, good for 2 points. I-score po natin 8-74. Apat ang kalamangan. Yun ang sa ating tala. Itong Mamang Gabriel. Pull-out jumper po na long 3. In and out. Hindi pa kumukunikta kanyang tirang bigas. Last 5 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. Inside the big man, not good again. In the jersey number 6 for the rebound. Itong De La Cruz, tapi Kamboko tayo. Hakobo still. Pass to the big man. Napakagandang box out. San Pedro, no good. Another one. There was minutes and 34 seconds remaining. Go outside. Akobo pass to Capistrano. Pull out jumper. Not good. De La Cruz may tangan. Pass to jersey number 23. Gabriel pass to outside. Balik kay Gabriel 22. Not good again. Tapi Kamboko tayo. Dalagano. Yes sir. Good for 2 points. Ika nga ang bumangga ang giba sa batang Dalagano. Last 5 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. San Pedro pass to outside. Pull out jumper for the long 3. Not good again. Sanchez for the big man for the rebound. Tapi Kamboko tayo. Still another steal. Jersey number 6. Dito De La Cruz may tangan. Nakikiraan ang ating kaibigan. Pass to inside. Pass to outside. Gabriel sisipating mabuti sa may pukol. Not good again. Medyo inaalat-alat pa yung ating kaibigan. Hindi pasok ang kanyang tirang bigas. Itong Hakobo jersey number 20. Last 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Pass to San Pedro. Walang move. Nabitawan nga lang ng ating kaibigan. Buti na lang ang doon ng kanyang kaibigan. Capistrano, yes sir, good for 2 points. I-score po natin 10 up against 6 mga kaibigan. Apat ang kalabangan pamili sa bandang gilid. Bug's eye. Good for 3. Yan ang sa ating talaan. Pass to outside. In a shot clock down to 10. Yes sir. Hakubo good for 2 points. Itong dalagyado makikiraan sa bandang gitnaan. No good. Still itong San Pedro jersey number 99. San Pedro may tangan. Pipihit sa bandang gilid. Iwan lahat ng kabuhayan. Ubos pati pantubos. Ini jersey number 9 dalagyado. Katawan kung sa katawan. Bahala na kinabukasan. The shot clock down to 15. Pass to inside. It is a jump ball. Pull out jumper. Not good. Dalagyado po na rebound. Not good again. Napalalim ng gusto ang ating kaibigan. Itong batang Hakubo may tangan. Isa laban sa 3. Ring score po natin. 9 up against 12. 3 ang kalabangan. Pull out jumper. Booms. Ay. Good for 3 points. Itong batang San Pedro jersey number 99. Nating baknit. Punit. Kumpunit. San Pedro. Still na batang San Pedro jersey number 99. Nabitawan De La Cruz jersey number 6. Takbuhan tayo sa pagingilid. 4 laban sa 3. Inside Gabriel, pull out jumper, another one, not good. Hindi pa rin pumapasok ang kanyang tira. Hindi pa po umiinit ang kanyang karbonador. Itong San Pedro jersey number 99. Yes sir, good for 2 points. Kung tagisan ng lakas ang pangangatawan, hindi magpapaiwan itong San Pedro mga kaibigan. Hakubo sini with the play. He scored brother 17 up against 9 mga kaibigan. Pass to outside San Pedro. Last 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Pull out jumper for the long 3. No good. Itong Gabriel. Pass to Gabriel. Inside. Yes sir.
May narayong battery.
The jersey number 20. Itong Hakubo may tangan. Bandang gilid jersey number 20. It's a not counted troubling violation. Pass to outside Gabriel jersey number 20. Pass to Gabriel jersey number 22. Makikiraan. Yes sir. Good for 2 points. It's 17-13. Apat ang kalamangan. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter of the game. This is the 2-on game championship sa senior division. Shot clock down to 14. Still tayo mga kaibigan. Itong Gabriel jersey number 20. Yep. Good for 2 points. Baba sa 2 ang kalamangan.
17-15.
Last 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. Another steal. Gabriel to Gabriel. Jersey number 20. Gandang pasa sa labas. Balik sa loob.
Bedlam.
Ay, good for 2 points. 50 seconds to play. 40 seconds to play. The shot clock down to 14. There was a reason. Ito San Pedro jersey number 99. Shot clock down to 10. The shot clock. Yes sir, good for 2 points. Seconds to play. Yes sir, good for 3 points. 10 seconds to play. 5 seconds to play. Teams people na po tayo mga kaibigan. San Pedro jersey number 99. Pass to outside. Hakubo. Pass to jersey number 15. Yes sir. Manso. Good for 2 points. Napakagandang pasa. Gandang tira. Gandang lalaki siyempre. And a pass to outside jersey number 16. The shot clock down to 14. Hakubo, isang tapal ka lang, tapos kang amoy ka. Halagang 10 piso, 24 oras kang mabango. Rickson men and women, another still topic ang buko tayo mga kaibigan sa ball out. Batin 21-20 sa ating talaan. In favor of 3D. Itong batang mamang Pranista, pass to outside, pull out jumper. Boots! Ay, good for 3 points. Dila Cross at another chills favor po tayo mga kaibigan. 21-23 sa ating talaan. Itong San Pedro may tangan, manangan sa bandang gitaan. There was a whistle. Basket content ay kasambang foul. San Pedro ang kanyang 30 puntusan. Sisipati mabuti sa may pukul. Yes sir, good for 1 point. Another chance favor na po tayo. 24-23 sa ating talaan. Last 8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Another outside, in and out. Hindi nga lang po kulit ang kanyang tinang bigas-bigas. Gabriel check clock down to 14 for a jumper. Bang! Boom! Pupul's eye. Good for 3 points. Another chance favor po tayo. 24-26 sa ating talaan. Last 8 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. San Pedro pass to outside. Mabawi ang ating kaibigan. Napakakas nga lang. Itong Pranista shot clock down to 10. Pass to inside. The big man. No good. Another one. Good for 2 points. Good luck po tayo mga kaibigan. Pranista jersey number 14. Pass to Dalagiano. Inside. There was a whistle. Yes sir, last jumper Sweeney. Yes sir, good for 2 points. Nakuha may tangan jersey number 20. Pass to outside. Shot clock down to 14. Last 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Dalagiano, uli ka kaibigan. Saan ka punta? To the moon. In the jersey number 16 from the outside. Looking for somebody. Pass to Dila Cross. In a pull-out jumper for the long three. Not good. Answer for the rebound. Pass to San Pedro. Jersey number 99. Lost 7 minutes in 15 seconds remaining sa ating talaan. I-score pa natin 28-26 mga kaibigan. Shot clock down to 14. Hakobo. There was a whistle. Capistrano sitting on the play. Pass to outside. Hakobo, jersey number 20. Balik sa labas. Shot clock down to 12. Pass to San Pedro. Pull out jumper. Good for 3 points. Another chance favor na po tayo. 29-28 sa ating talaan. Lost 6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Another still San Pedro. From the outside. Looking for somebody, San Pedro to Capistrano. Pull out jumper for a 3. Another one. Yes sir. Good for 3 points. I-score po natin 28-32 sa ating talaan. Gabriel jersey number 20. Yes, house for inside pass to San Pedro jersey number 99. San Pedro sitting on the play. Kontra dito kay jersey number 14. Pass to outside. Balik sa loob. Inside. Not good. Nalagyan for the rebound. Pass to Gabriel. Pass to Gabriel jersey number 22. This time for Ensa Pig. Inside. Shot clock down to 14. Not good. Pass to outside. Dalagiano. Yes sir. Good for 2 points. I-score po natin 30-32 sa ating talaan. Babas ang dalawa ang kalamangan. San Pedro, easy layup. Yes sir, good for 2 points. Nalagiano from the outside, pass to jersey number 14. Pass to outside, Gabriel pull out jumper. Good for 3 points.
34-33. Bigitan lang.
San Pedro jersey number 99.
Opo lang ito. Opo lang ito.
Babawi ang ating kaibigan. No good. Another Another steal. Inside. Napaganda pa. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points. Last 4 minutes and 22 seconds remaining for the second quarter of the game. I-score po natin 35-37 sa ating talaan.
Tinawanan ka tuloy. Tuwang-tuwang tuloy si Siski.
Inside. Dalagyano Boros. Whistle. Basket. Trumpet. May kasambang foul. Spino out.
All 37 tayo, all 37. Pag naipasok yung free throw, bonus free throw na ito ni Dalagyado, lalamang sila ngayon.
Yes, sir. Good point. Last 4 minutes and 2 seconds remaining for the second quarter of the game. Itong San Pedro jersey number 99 may tangan. Ika nga kalma-kalma lang kaibigan. Pipihit sa bandang gitnaan. Napakagandang pasa. Ang pangit na pagkatira. In jersey number 6, pass to jersey number 14, pass to inside. Dalagyano, another one. Sumabay ka pa kaibigan, wag ka lang malikot. Another one, pass to outside. Pull out jumper for the long three. Not good again. Last 3 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. There was a whistle. All-sport. Disipating mabuti sa may pukol ng ating kaibigan. Pag tayo po yung malis, pakilinis lang po. Thank you so much. Itong De La Cruz jersey number 6. Balik kay De La Cruz. Pass to outside. Cabrel. In and out. Jersey number 17. Last 3 minutes.
38-39 ang score natin. 38-39.
39-38 sa ating talaan. San Pedro pass to outside. Capistrano jersey number 07. The shot clock down to 14. Jacobo. Balik kay Capistrano. Inside. Using the glass. Not good. Another one. Jersey number 24. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points. Dalagyano. Pass to outside. Jersey number 14. Balik kay Dalagyano. Tabig man. Tabig ang Boko. Shot clock down to 9. Using by the glass. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points. I-score po natin 40-41 sa ating talaan. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Last 2 minutes and 5. San Pedro jersey number 99. May tangan. Pass to inside. Napakagandang pasa. Not good. Dalagyano. Pass to jersey number 14. Pass to inside. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good for 1 point. Lost to jumpers ready. Yes, sir. Good for 1 chance for last 1 minute in 50 seconds.
Score natin 42-41. Ganda lamang. Digitan lang.
San Pedro number 99 na magtatawid mga kaibigan. San Pedro sitting on the play. Quarter number 14. Tabig ang Boko. Jacobo jersey number 20. Inside. No good. Another one. It's a penalty situation. Yes, sir. Good for 1 run.
Score natin 44-42.
Number 20 ang magtatawid para sa kanilang kupunan. Sitting on the play. And looking for the 7. Pull out
layo yan.
3. Good for 3 points.
$45-44. Lamang ng isa itong mga nakabayan dito.
Jersey number 99. Pass to outside. Jacobo to inside. No good. Kapig ang Boko tayo mga kaibigan. Lost 50 seconds to play. Balik kay Dalagyano. Pass to outside. Good for 3 points.
Naharangan tayo na rep. 3 points yun.
Inside, the big man, Sanchez. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points. Seconds to play.
48-46. Lamang pa rin itong mga naka-violet.
To Dalagyano, jersey number 09. Looking for somebody ang ating kaibigan. 10 seconds to play. save.
Muntik pa.
Yung pull out jumper walang in and out. And not good. The San Pedro jersey. Jersey number 99. Shot clock down to 14. San Pedro pass to outside. The shot clock down to 10. There was a whistle from traveling by Tik-tik. Ang cute ng aso. Ayun. 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 Inside. Pass outside. Shot clock down to 14. Gabriel. Pass sa labas. Shot clock down to 10. Good ball to win. Points. Umuulan na po ng 3 puntusan.
54-6. Abanti na ng 4 itong Oriana.
Itong San Pedro. Mga manaba. What a move. Pass to outside. Manso. No good. Jersey number 24. Bang. Good for 2 points. In a pass to outside. Another one. Not good again. In a jersey number. Liga Malbon. San Caputo. In a pass to outside. Gabriel.
Balik mo, balik.
San Pedro Hul. Ibigan. Yes, power for the jersey. A pass to outside. Dalagiano. Jersey number 24. It's a foul. Ayun na. Nakantahan na. May nagkanduit na doon. Dalagiano. Not good. Jersey number 24. For the rebound. Pass to inside. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points. Lost 7 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. 50-51 sa ating talaan. Dalagiano to inside.
Ganda.
Yes, sir. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 20 sitting in the play, pass to outside. San Pedro block jumper, too strong. And so there was a whistle for the 53 sa ating talaan. Tatlo po ang kalamangan kaibigan. Itong Gabriel Metalan, jersey number 20, pass to outside. Dalagiano, pass to Gabriel. Ano, jersey number 19, pass to San Pedro, jersey number 99. San Pedro, iwan lahat ng kabuhayan. There was a whistle in the first team foul. The shot clock down to 14. Yes, good for 2 points. Pass to outside. Jersey number 6, De La Cruz. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points. Score po natin 52-55 sa ating talaan. Shot clock down to 14. Apollo, big slide, good for 2 points.
55-54, gandang laban mga idol, dikitan lang.
In a jersey number 20, Gabriel, leading out. Dalagiano, David Mandela sa whistle. Yes, malakas idol. Yes, sir. Good for 1 point again. Last 5 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Jacobo pull up jumper. No good. Kapigan mo ko Jacobo again. Another one. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points.
Back to back yan para dito kay Jacobo.
I-score po natin 55-57. Isa lamang po ang kalamangan. Talagyado again.
Taga duman.
Jersey number 19 ang pass to outside. Hakobo full of jumper.
Back to back coming from Hakobo.
Kinskibo na po tayo mga kaibigan. 57-59 sa ating talaan. Last 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Talagyado makikiraan. It's a fake. Pin away shot. Not good. Last 4 minutes. Inside, huli ka! Jersey number 99. Yes sir, good for one. Last throw jumpers ready po tayo mga kaibigan. Yes sir, good for 1 point again. I-score po natin 57-61 sa ating talaan. Last 4 minutes and 14 seconds remaining.
57-61, lamang mo nakaputi.
Look at Bade to Talagyado. Pass to outside. Good cross, surely na lang ang ating kaibigan. Yes. Yes, sir. He's a jumper ready. Yes, sir. Good for point. I-score po natin 61-61.
Isa lang.
Itong San Pedro may tangan sitting on the play. San Pedro pass to outside. Hakobo, jersey number 20. Inside. Using by the glass. Not good. Gabriel Ponarino, jersey number 23. Still nga lang ng ating kaibigan. Pass to Hakobo. Shot clock down to 10. Pass to outside. Pull up jumper. No good. Pass to outside. Gabriel, last 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. 61-67 talaan. Pass to outside. Sisipating mabuti. Not good nga lang mga kaibigan. Gabriel pass to outside. De La Cruz to Gabriel. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for Kuwi. Points. Butas na butas. Nothing but net. Punit mga kaibigan. San Pedro. There was a whistle. Yes, sir. Substitution. All out.
Score natin 64-61.
Talagyado din na may tangan inside. There was the whistle.
Kalabaw!
Yes, sir. Good for one.
Kalabaw!
Yes, sir. Good for 1 point again. Last 2 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. I-score po natin 66-61. 5 ang kalamangan niya sa ating talaan. Itong San Pedro pass to outside. Hakobo. Pull out jumper. Yes, sir. Good for 2 guys. De La Cruz. Good for Kuwi. Points.
69-63, lamang na itong mga nakabayolet dito. Third quarter tayo. 2 minutes and 7 na natitira.
Last 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining for the third quarter. San Pedro, jersey number 99. Nagsinyas na pala yung pero sa baba pa lang. Yes sir, good for Kuwi. Points.
66-69.
Gabriel Jonas a whistle. Yes. Yes sir, good for
71-66.
it is
71-66.
number 99. Pass to outside Hakobo. It's a line ball.
71-66.
Jersey number 99 for 1. Jersey number 99.
Clapping.
Jersey number 07. Technical for the clapping.
71-66 lamang ito nakabayarit mga idol. Third quarter na tayo. 1 minute and 13 na lang natitira sa ating third quarter.
Last remaining 10 seconds remaining. Last outside. Shot clock down to 14. There was a whistle. Yes, good for 1 point. Last jumper Sweden. Yes, sir, good for 1 point again. Parang nabayaran yung si Sira, bigla bumaliktad.
Bigla bumaliktad, ano?
Hindi jersey number 99. Pass to outside. No good. Inside, pass to inside. There was a whistle. Ito jersey number 99. Ito San Pedro, George Mitangan. San Pedro sitting on the play. Inside, nakikiraan ang ating kaibigan. Naipit sa bandang ilalim. There was a whistle.
Ganyan na ganyan yung laban, ano?
Yes, Corporate 68-73. Last 20 seconds to play. Yes, sir, good for 2 points. To play. And that is still Dalagiano, jersey number 9. 10 seconds to play. Pass to outside. Pull out jumper. And out. Idol San Pedro may tangan. Sitting on the play. Contra Doy Gabriel, jersey number 20. Pass to Capistrano. Pull out jumper for a long three. Bang! Good for 3 points.
75-71, apat na lang. Final quarter na tayo mga idol. Fourth quarter na tayo. Lamang ang Ariana ng apat.
Dalagiano sitting on the play. Nakikiraan sa bandang gilid. Nakawala ang ating kaibigan. Hindi nga lang umak. Nagatira bigas pass to outside. Gabriel to De La Cruz. Inside. Dalagiano. Dalawa.
Saan tayo? Saan tayo?
Yes, go for 1 point. Jersey number 99, itong batang San Pedro may tangan sitting on the play. San Pedro inside, pass to outside. Good to mga sa referee. Very good. Jersey number. Yes, sir. Good for 1 point. Yes, sir. Good for 1 point again.
78-73, lamang ang Ariana. 8 minutes and 43. Ito naman yung Dalagiado. Atake pero foul.
Winning is Corporate 78-73 sa ating talaan. Dalagiano not. And not good. San Pedro jersey number. Ito jersey number 99. San Pedro may tangan. Shot clock down to 14. Pass to Capistrano. Shot clock down to 10. San Pedro. Yes, sir.
The lottery coming from San Pedro.
78-73.
Pakalayo, no?
Dalawang ang kalamangan.
78-76. 8 minutes and 8. Babawi, De La Cruz. Wala.
Good. San Pedro setting on the play. Jersey number 99. Nakikiraan ng ating bigan. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points. Did
All na tayo, deadlock, 78.
Dalagado, jersey number 9. Tapi Kamoko tayo. It's a jump ball.
De La Cruz, fire on 3. Yes, sir. Wow.
3 points.
Coachil! Coachil! Mukhang turo mo yun ah. Ay, mukhang turo mo yun.
A shot clock down to 14. Capistrano pass to outside. Acobo. No good. Dalagyano for the River jersey number 9. Last 7 minutes in the 15 seconds remaining. Dalagyano.
Nararo mga idol.
2 points.
83-78. Balik sa 5 lamang. Itong mga naka-violet.
There was a whistle. Ano ito pag-ibig? Last point, jersey number 20. Shot clock down to 5. To inside.
Ganda!
No good.
Wala nga lang.
Good, 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 good! House for it. Capistrano from the outside. Pass to San Pedro, jersey number 99. Itong San Pedro, sailing on the play. Amang tatawid pa sa kanilang kupunan. Kontra dito shot clock down to 14. Pass to Jacobo. Pull up jumper for the long 3. No good. Still na Capistrano. Shot clock na to 10.
Wow!
Yes sir, good for 2 points.
Ganda nun. 83-80. Tatlo na lang. Baba sa tatlo ang kalamangan. Itong mga naka-violet. 5 minutes and 41. De La Cruz na open again. Bam!
Last 5 minutes and 33 seconds remaining for the final quarter.
86-80. Balik sa 6.
80 sa ating talaan. 6 po yan.
Babawi!
Bam!
86-83.
Another one, in and out, there was a whistle. As for graduate, warning for penalty situation. Jersey number 99, warning for graduate, warning for penalty situation. As to Dalagyano. No good. Napigang Moko tayo. Itong San Pedro Betangan, isa laban sa isa. Nakikiraan. No good. Napigang Moko. De La Cruz, jersey number 6. De La Cruz. Inside, pull up, jumper. In and out. Not good. Jersey number 15. Pass to Capistrano. Last 4 minutes and 49 seconds for the final quarter of the game. I-score po natin 86-83. Tatlong ang kalamangan sa ating talaan. Itong Capistrano sitting on the play. Jersey number 07. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to outside. Jacobo, jersey number 20. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Lost.
86-83.
Minutes in the 57 seconds remaining. De La Cruz pass to outside. No good. San Pedro, Pepe hit sa bandang gitna. Inside, not good. Capistrano pull out jumper. Yes sir, got to 3. Deadlock po tayo, 86.
All 86 tayo, all 86.
Last 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Dalagyan ang itangan. Yes sir, isa ang kalamangan. Itong San Pedro may tangan jersey number 99. Pass to outside. Jacobo, Tomanso. Balik kay Jacobo, pass to inside. No good. Dalagyado may tangan, makikiraan ang ating kaibigan. Pass to outside. Balik sa labas, shot clock down to 14. De La Cruz, makikiraan. No good. Tapi kang Moko, still ng Capistrano jersey number 07. Jacobo, Duraso whistle.
87-86, 3 minutes and 10, final quarter tayo. All 87 tayo, deadlock 87. Pag pumasok ang pangalawang free throw ni Jacobo, lalamang etong 3D. Pangalawa, wala. Rebound by Dalagyado. Deadlock 87 tayo, deadlock 87.
5 seconds remaining. Dalagyado, makikiraan. Pipihit pass to outside.
Nako, open shooter yan, Pranista, wala.
No good. San Pedro for the rebound juice. Tanwit na po yan.
Pangalawa na yun. Nako, airball. 2 minutes and 54. All 87, sayang. Sayang yung free throw na yun. Kailangan na kailangan.
Lomba jersey number 24.
Yun, lamang na. Ito mga nakaputi.
87, 88 sa ating talaan. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining to inside. San Pedro jersey number 99.
87-88. Lamang ng isa. Ito mga nakaputi.
Pass to outside.
Jacobo, fire on 3.
No good. He's still itong jersey number 22. Gabriel looking to somebody. He's still nga lang ng ating kaibigan.
Another turnover na naman yung Ariana.
Inside.
Oh!
Still.
Grabe, save naman ni Dalagyado.
Dalagyado, makikira.
Matik na yan. Ganda naman nun.
Another chance.
89-88. Lamang naman itong Ariana.
Last 2 minutes. A shot clock down to 14. Pass to inside.
Open. Ay, nako.
Another steal. Another one. He's so good for 2 points. Another chance.
90-89. Lamang naman ang isa. Itong nakaputi.
Last 1 minute 45 seconds remaining.
Ayun na naman. Ay, luwa.
Shot clock down to 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Yes,
Ganda.
2 points.
92-89.
Patak in po lahat mga idol. Patak in po lahat na maayos.
1 minute and 16 seconds. Final quarter na po tayo. 89-92. Bigla lumamang itong kupunan ng mga nakaputi.
Dalagyado, jersey number 9, makikiraan. No good. Napigan mo ko tayo.
One minute and 5 seconds. 89-92.
Shot clock down to 14. Capistrano. Shot clock down to 10. 50 seconds to play.
Open.
Yes, sir. 52 points. 89-94. 5 ang kalamangan.
Another turnover.
Yes, sir.
43 seconds na lang natitira. 89-94. 33 seconds.
30 seconds to play. 10 seconds to play. 20 seconds to play. 15 seconds to play. 10 seconds to play. Last 4 seconds to play.
89-94. Last 4 seconds na lang.
Segundo. It's a foul. Yes, sir. Segundo. Jumpers ready.
89-95. Anim na. 3 seconds na lang natitira. Kakin. Oo.
It's a foul.